digestion is done in this 6-metre-long tube, the small intestine. The food has to be moved through it physically, and while this is happening, it's also further broken down by enzymes, so that nutrients in it can be carried into the bloodstream. In the duodenum, which is 25 centimetres long, chyme is mixed with bile from the liver, and with juices from the pancreas, and from the duodenum itself.
You've got this mixture in the duodenum, and then there's a lot of enzymes pouring in to this mixture from the pancreas gland. And that's secreting really enzymes to digest fat, protein and carbohydrate, as well as the bicarbonate which it produces. Coming also down from the liver, coming in through the same little tube, which joins it just before it gets to the bowel, there is bile. And particularly important in the bile are these bile salts. And they're like a detergent which breaks down fat and helps digestion. It makes the fat small enough to be digested by the other enzymes, by the lipase from the pancreas.
Chyme from the stomach is acid, and bile can't emulsify fat. That is, can't break it into small droplets in acid conditions. But pancreatic juices contain bicarbonate, which is alkaline. The fat now emulsifies easily, because the acid has been neutralized. The main enzymes in the pancreatic juice are amylase, which breaks down starch, lipase, which breaks down fat, and trypsin, which breaks down protein. As the food is broken down, vitamins and minerals are also released. The wall of the small intestine has permanent folds and tiny projections called villi, which make it look and feel like velvet and greatly increase the area in contact with the chyme. So 6 meters of intestine actually has a surface area of about 30 square meters. Food is in continual contact with this interior wall as it's broken down by the enzymes and moved along by peristalsis. Dietary fibre helps the action of peristalsis because it adds bulk to the food.